Hello friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can change the name of your Facebook page. So for that, simply open your Chrome browser and log into Facebook with your account. Then click on your account and open the page whose name you want to change. I'll also open a random page and show you. Simply, now we'll go to the profile. Here, you need to click on Settings. Now next to name, you'll find Edit at the end. Click on it. And here, you can read. After 60 days, you can change the name again. So choose the name carefully. I'll also set a random name from here. I removed 1 and typed 41. Click on Review Change. Here, you need to enter your password. After that, click on Request Change. Now, it has been changed. I'll show you to check. I clicked on Edit again. You can do this. The name has been changed. Now I'll also go to the profile and show you. You can check this. The name has been changed. Hopefully, you found this video tutorial informative. If you did, like the video, share it with 3 friends. If you're not on the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon.